Fix in 5. Got a P0270? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. MIL illuminated. Verify with OBD2 scanner freeze frame data. Cylinder 4 misfire detected. P0304 may also be present. Verify with live fuel trim and injector pulse width via scanner. Engine hesitation under load. Verify with test drive. Note RPM and load conditions. Fuel consumption increase or lean condition. Verify with O2 sensor live data on bank 1 sensor 1. Now the most likely causes: corroded or loose fuel injector connector, high resistance or intermittent contact. Measure connector resistance. Typically less than 0.1 ohms. Above 0.5 ohms indicates corrosion. Open or shorted injector wiring harness, typically between ECU and injector. Verify continuity with multimeter. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm per meter of wire. Faulty fuel injector coil. Denso 297-0041 or equivalent. In most cases. One mistake to avoid. It is not recommended to drive for extended periods with code P0270 active. While some vehicles may run, possibly with reduced power, a faulty injector circuit can lead to engine misfire, reduced combustion efficiency, increased emissions. Here's how a pro pins it down. Repair or replace damaged wiring or connectors in the INJA. Replace cylinder 4 fuel injector if found to be faulty, or clean or decontaminate the connector if oil/water ingress. Repair or clean ground and power connections related to TH. Replace the ECM/ECU if dead driver circuit is confirmed N. How to fix it? Replace faulty fuel injector and cylinder 4 with OEM or quality aftermarket part. Repair or replace damaged wiring in fuel injector circuit. Clean or replace corroded connectors and contact points. Verify and adjust fuel system pressure if out of spec. The scanner and part side use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 81.50 doing it yourself, or Euro 183.50 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0270? Repairing P0270 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0270. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.